So today I'm going to create another look. I've done this review before on my channel, and I'll just leave a link somewhere here so that you guys can go watch it if you haven't watched it. I'm going to prime my eyes as usual. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Guys, don't come for my nails. It's locked down in SA and can't find any nail tag. I don't even want to risk it, so I'm just gonna do my nails. How are you guys doing your nails? Because I've been doing my Q-Tex every single day, like every evening. Either I'm refilling or I'm putting a new Q-Tex from scratch. It's so tiring, guys. It's so tiring. Today I have red, tomorrow I have pink, and then the next day I have, gosh, how are you guys doing it? Is there any place where I can find a gel polish with that thingy that you dry with? I would get it today because I'm tired. It actually wastes my time to put Q-Tex every day. So from the previous video I didn't prime the other eye, but I just feel like because now I want to work with shimmers, I'm just going to prime both eyes so that I see how the eyeshadow sticks. So this is the eyeshadow palette. For those who haven't watched my other video, I'm gonna use this dark color here. This look that I'm creating, I actually saw it from someone, Tara Walker, and I loved it. Guys, the pigment on this eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do this color all around my eye. That's where I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to take a small brush like that. It's not that defined, and I'm going to take this yellow color here. I'm going to blush. I'm going to blend out the brown. This is where that brown ends. That's where I'm going to blend out, because I don't want it to appear as harsh. And to be honest, it's blending quite well. I don't know how many times I've said this on my channel, but when you blend two colors together, the first one sort of like fades into that one. So you can always come back again and just emphasize it. Is it emphasize or emphasize? I think it's emphasize. I'm not even gonna go into it. I did see a comment about my previous video where I used the white concealer. So in my previous video, right, I used this one. It's actually called highlighter. It's this one, the white one. It does work, but it makes the color like turn white. So I saw a comment about it that I should try use a normal concealer and see what happens. So now I'm gonna use this one. It's the fawn one that I've been abusing. I don't know. I'm just gonna do it here. I've noticed that my eye actually gets very wide if I do like there. That's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm not gonna open my eye fully, because if I open it fully, this color is going to fade. The concealer is going to make its own crease, and I don't want that. I'm not really making like a defined cut crease. I just want the color that we're gonna use to show. See what I was talking about? Now I have a self-defined crease. I don't want to go ahead and do this, honestly. I don't know why my eye does this. It's so big. I was actually trying to avoid this, but look. See? I hate this. Honestly, I hate it. So now I'm forced. There's two gold here. There's this one gold here, and then there's this one here. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Yeah. Guys. It's stunning. Oh my word. Guys, do you see how stunning this thing is? I didn't even put any fix plus spray or anything, but okay, towards the end I'll take this one here, this brown. It's also a shimmer color. Guys, do you see what's happening here? What? This is stunning. Going back to the brown there. I just want to blend the two together. Even without lashes. This is the undone one. I really feel like we've been sleeping on this eyeshadow palette, to be honest. Signature. Thank you to Signature. So I'm gonna put lashes. I'm not gonna put dramatic lashes, I promise. I'll just put like small lashes. Yeah, I'll see you in 5. So guys, I went ahead and put my lashes. I hope I didn't go like too big today. I was hoping not to go too big because I'm always going big. Okay, back to the palette. We are going to do the under eye. And we're gonna go with the dark chocolate color. I'm gonna start with it. Focus. These lashes are so small, but I think I love them. So one thing that I've learned recently is always join the bottom and the top on the side. It gives you like a cat eye situation. Also, I'm gonna go under and I'm gonna join it. I don't know if I should go with a black liner or a white liner. I'll take the MAC one. Polar Ice. I don't even know if it works. So what I've noticed with this white pencils, right, I feel like they sort of make your eye pop. I'm not sure if it's true. So I'm still going to use our palette, right, to highlight, and I will take I'll mix this one and this one. Just to give us a little bit of glow. It's actually not bad, right? Mixing this one and that one. I'm gonna remove a little bit because I don't want it to be too much. There. The glow is good, guys. This palette. If you guys don't get this after lockdown, I don't know. I don't know what you want. So I'm gonna do my nose. I just wanna do the tip there, and then I'm gonna come here and do a little bit there. Ooh. Then let's add a little bit more there. You know what's the problem with highlighters, right? You get too excited and then you start highlighting everywhere. Or am I the only one? So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I created something that you will be able to recreate. I was actually following instructions on my comments from the previous video that I should try and use shimmers. I am impressed. I think I've used all the shimmers, so I'm gonna go on and use this shimmer as well for our inner corner. I just want to use all the shimmers on the palette because wow guys, this palette. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope that I created something that you like. I'm just coming closer so that you guys can see everything that's happening. For me, I'm impressed. From my previous video, I had given this palette an 8 out of 10, and I still think I would give it a 9, an 8 or a 9. I'm really impressed with both the shimmers, the matte. Guys, I can hear a dog barking. Dogs aren't even allowed in this complex, but someone has a dog. Thanks to lockdown, now we know. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.